Second one, they may no be connected on the upper time near Gabby Jáil.
Yo, but that's it.
Any Asante.
Me find Jakesi, Emma, Omo Shayna. Ya papa lan Kojo Kyeremanteng so as wo chiamu. Na sabre ne party no de. Shebe by next week de ne kroma ye he. I say. Oh, ne political party application or the kokotu mo EC. Yes, it's almost ready. Na party no the spirit edeba. The party's name, everything. I mean, a be catch up to say
MPP no.
A be catch up to say bushfire.
Say
MPP they say no.
There be MPP.
There be Jimmy Nyazada. Enya sakra yempe omumusi onu bi kra wo yo.
Omode ne e na momode ne.
David. Look, ye na nanomu sunsum ni ade no. David. Enya we kra. Wo de munya botre e beba out. Obi abehu say yes. Alan onu ana apiaba no. De ye ba be biem potential presidency for Muba ye be corporate risk kama ni obenya na chese wadiko de ni na bibia akọ so fefefe ati ne wo hono no Gabby asare otchere darko wo hwe ni nsem yo kan ya yaja o mu beka se eye kuko meeting so mu ye no Manchester ana what status o kasa na woman no sorry be no so
no pay na meka soldier
yeah Greater Accra Women's Organizer.
Because we didn't lose their votes. NPP let Asante down because they didn't have flyovers. But I have been in meetings where MPs from Ashanti region have said that and yet flyovers they want their community closer. And in politics, you are supposed to give people what they say they want, not what you think they want. They wanted their community goals. And when you look at the number of votes that was done in Ashanti region, per capita across the country, you can't say that NPP left Ashanti region. Yet, an NPP person was apologizing for disappointing Ashanti, for neglecting Ashanti region. Now, if you want to win in 2028, and this is your answer, that's what you have to say. One guy. There's a difference between humility, okay, and knocking yourself down. You can show humility, and let people know that, hey, you expected more from us, and we are sorry that we couldn't deliver all that you asked. But politics is a comparative game, in the sense that it is between you and I. That's what it means. So if you accept the propaganda and you say, forget about the propaganda, you accept or you say, you did not do that. You did well under very difficult circumstances. But if you go on and looking at just the negatives, how then do you stand up and say, 2028 is our best chance? How is 2028 going to be your best chance? How do you go and convince the Ghanaians the friend said, oh, what dear, I'm sorry, what dear, I failed you, but my members is here. They don't wait your thing, whatever that thing is. You must be bolder in defending what you did. You must be humble in accepting where you fell short.
A friend Grace. There's a one who said, I did not teach up, no sorry, no peer. One who said, how come say in any mutual? What you must I didn't know, and call ye man of bako. Any other. Now, you share the background to this say. And maybe President Mahama now in opposition or koye interview of an African TV. The Castle I know say, Okita tape. Gabby Jáil Darko. Or more discussing about the shares of PDS. Eti eno no kwane ye ayi se oni abamudie enso so oba obe prosecute no In fact, na meet program in life. That time, na program be so International Conference Center. And na president wo Gabby mo nti ho na me sene link no e de man no. And was say there asem was conference in here there asem and am say President Mahama so nya power be prosecute on PDS. Hey. What you say na ni machine. And I say what is the way for it? Oh, I will handle it on my own eh. Eneja ye mo. Ba mi ma leki bi. Wo Tama na 11 no ekoso no in parliament. Ya be pene. Won se dru ba bi ya se Gabby akwasra Mahama odifie. Okay. Awokoya ya se na Mahama nyawe. Sorry o president. No nyawe. Etu o mani gina gate chi be ye 1 hour plus. Anso wo ba mu no. Satem no o ko na nya yi lebi asem. The PDS asem ya na no de ko. Na Mahama as a politician smart ni ade no. O say affirmation. That was our discussion. I just say bibia ye kama. Eti emu honum ana Gabby babo nte be ka say no wakwete ka de say politics. Wonya politics biom any ade. Na wonya politics biom a. Me ogina hoye den. And then law. And law. And no we say President Mahama promises say obe prosecute Nintino. And oh yes smart say makwete politics. Say ne beya just say na say no kwa koda. Na wasa kwa kutunshum asa hununju no. President Mahama orevia meka wanobe. We can't obey. So audio now any promise na omaye ewo Pan African TV no. Sorry sir me bo you know onua but medical semunti.
That's how onka wonya mo.
Medical semunti I say amafo hu ne meka na nkasa. Eti yesro bo modern say obe hwe sansem no mu na baby asese ode to no ode ato. Now you see there can be kokoye no. What the MPs no ato or tankru womu. I tell you, say Ashanti youth, sorry, pass and to say pa na netie. Impuntu oba na mo se mo mpe na say ni say. Mo amu personal yinti, mo me anya the greater development as yenya e wa say. Who said that same nebesi?
No, but you know that no put you the course of Ashanti region the last 8 years.
On the answer.
Put to
Oh, David. But you the course of Ashanti region the last 8 years.
As someone watching her. Why ya? Why party for the goose?
Who more crowd they come on now?
Who party for the goose on the pay? Because maybe I'm more boy, minimum. We have factory stars in our Canada. Adabraka. Ebra even Alancha but you want more moye grano. Or no dear any more moye no it was 135. I know the free Abemu. 135.
Or say 135.
Across the country, and Ashanti region go.
What the woman what's that?
Hey, I know Mama Crasso moye yes sir. Now go baby you to go to Ashanti maybe let's gold factory.
No problem.
Baby you
and offer
Ashanti memo bia. Yes, gold factory.
That is a galamsey no your factory.
Na ye
okay. O ka decide any of maintenance ba. So no anti what day or time and ababeto amamfo ne MPs or more Ashanti region entem
now but this o kasa na akonta mine e wo hini na Asante region e wo
e bi wa Ashanti e bi wa Western
oh yeah kasi yes good factory
so o say chairman sabonso anu ye leader of government business I will free Ashanti region so I mean MP I will twam ono say on da Omunshia or baby and our discussion in that. But it's you are free.
Yeah,
I'm so about the casa.
Yeah.
So from 2017 up to August 2025 and so won't be face to face. One Shanida. in the 8 years in power near the Adina, one Shagabida, let alone to say they were there to discuss something. Other MPs also asare Akika, Asante Achem South, MP so Mahu say on yes, on so Bekasa. Say Asemna war Canada and Fakwemu, BBNC Sada. And you be sound who say Sasemna no war can saying, just some kind of propaganda tool to energize the people. Say, Yana say,
no, was a meeting, Ukobi,
Miss Animal David. Me say, no cry. Look, Captain, there was a time, was it 20? One of the Mireya Yafi. Me, Tatos Grover, John Kuma, Aduma Befi.
Tell that to your man, if he's a true MPP person. I have a big axe in my house.
Okuma.
Anytime I meet him anywhere in Kumasi,
Gabby,
I will open his brain to find out the kind of materials that were put together to form his brain.
Oh no.
What?
I heard JB say his name is Nana Kwame. In fact,
Nana Kwame. Nana Kwame.
In fact, Captain, I am boiling in my room. I am sitting right here at the carrier. He should come and show me where I could build that factory.
So we got
Captain, catching the person, Missy winning carrier.
Sir, what's in carrier? What factories, me and sir?
Me and sir, and carrier me crew.
Sir,
contractor will see factory in me when he did now.
and also factory the back of any person.
1,200.
Second one.
Let me answer. I'm qua factory no qua. And carrier no qua 5,200.
Me and sir no.
Me and sir no.
I said Gabby for no be a Dubai.
I may come with you, Mitch. Only man of cannot carry. Me and carry you look up on Comisa and carry some few. On think carry.
And carry the free.
Hopefully, twas the other time.
Me think carry
the free home. But factories never hold no. Also, I found for 5,200.
5,200.
Okay, Bawumia block factory.
Bawumia block.
Next one there.
Your friends are mining.
Gold factory no.
Gold factory.
Ah.
And about the last.
You do another one can and blue no.
Ah. What the most old dimension?
And the last one there.
And Mahama, you know. The friends hospital at the warehouse.
After hospital. After
military. Debbie, in carry hospital, don't carry warehouse.
More converted hospital.
Sibia Kauna say, how many millions of metric tons now?
And the Kobe said 10 million
metric tons.
A bronco. And carry there, Nana Akufo Addo. Boya dear.
Wa momo bro.
Factories me answer.
Factories me answer. Wa moya.
Chairman. E ho ni Gyamfi.
Ah, yeah. Ona firo.
E dey benti ne.
Gyamfi.
Because of what the jam what the day. Our factory no nti ne pam no.
Ah.
One team am what the day said the nyama Akufo Addo am ti ne pam no.
MP no ho de brand time.
Enu ti e be fa oba na o Frastar house no. And yet in the buyer, so Kono Kobo de Wu. Massa, Hopeson, Kawasem, Nakwana or Casano, or Nimun carrier. We can't change the phone.
No, you get the message.
What's what in carrier? No,
catch us a miss or bois on take carrier.
But I send a message when I answer the message is the bad empathy. There was a carrier here out here.
Hey, Azamo. Yo.
Okay, Captain, ask him to tell us the exact location at Nkawie. We want to go and look for the whole factory.
Okay, my memo otchere no. Udru, safali dia wonim dada.
There.
Mahama hospital no ntiana ya convert ba ko dia ye buffer stock you know. Say all dia wonim dada.
Okay.
Say you see na ukra won ko order. So wa ko order.
Okay.
Ena your friend say gold factory no. E wa twemampo no a your friend say tabu your friend say baby ananso mu kokum nipa.
Na me
go before you kokum
me na hobby
ba kusi ho no and our cotton ase a baby a Dr. Frimpong Manso the hospital ne wo no
the way messages to Kumasi, man. You have no idea.
Because woman to Kumasi, woman to Kwai, Mena Mechira, woman baby, and an Akufo Addo factories in this year. Now to Kumasi, now won't call carry. I better want to see the sea factory woman. Ah, yes, I'm okay. And my church is no power.
My church, more, no. What do you want?
Now, also.
Captain Smart. Captain Smart.
How many times did I call?
How many times? Sack. Can you also? Can what's the name?
Banco school, but you
sack that guy from your studio.
Hey, now you are a good father. I as well. Yes, me who ye dear, but I don't know. So don't know.
Copy. Hope so better. What team you have was sell and tomato? We are 135. That has confirmed.
Across the nation. Ashanti region across the nation. Dear, what dear Akufo Addo man commission here?
Abuakwa block factory. Abuakwa block factory.
It's the side way.
One my Abuakwa and carry money in so. The answer offers ya woko sunai. And offers ya woko carry. Johnson as well. Yes, a woko sunai noa block factory is your. Opa say Akufo Addo.
And so funny person.
And they say 800.
Okay.
800.
Captain, what the gentleman is saying is very true.
Hey,
hold on. I am standing at KJTL right now. I can see a train in the sky.
Sky train.
I see. Captain, we do what we see. The big engineer said, near Gabby Kokoye, and no, media, may meet me the more may share and may bombism because, sir, party Nankasegu. And this Omumu Prego. Navi Ghana for your Hontoying. Whether you like it or not, MPP is a declining party. Nana kwabiti ha wo bobo boy se musi jinano me pesa wo tiase play se party no ya declining party
there
MPP party ni ya declining party
wa be
more power
party ya power be catch is declining
only say MPP at the papa bia do Mahama ben eye bia no o mo say o mo
sa na mo so mo catch le
wo de nya botre me catch bia ba Come say Omwa. Nancy Okokonya at Japanese grant 3 billion. Come say, oh, I Omona Yatuho. Any other. Okokoya Dempo. Come say Omwa, or your way, say Omwa, any other. Anafi galamsey say Omay, one day almost any more. How can you talk like this? I don't want to. Ah, eh? Galamsey na say ade eku nipa de omo dwane free ho meanwhile ede mo na mokokoye law say amanfo enwura kwaye no mu enso ni yetu nanka eye den ananka ayi kwaye mu ayewura nyina no akwakoye company ba ko a
say ye ka galamsey asem wa
eye ye ka ne say
ye sika kumasi asem ye ka
galamsey asem na mike gabi asem na mike so a tese eye party chairman bi company pe ene timi wura kwaye mu ss kwaye adentia na sadie we nyina ba ye wodi mu say the minister ale want to meet na meeting mu
agwara ze be so say the things is akufaru
oh engabe ozi obiom ada obezi wono
omobo eni atiawa ne se kufuado
wagazo bia se kufuado
tisuti aya me se eni wana ni tise kufuado mo de mo a mo hwe papa
ai mana na nja se
mo de mo hwe wo ka wa se bro ni wo huru so be kari ntira wo ni be fam
eti MPP ni de asempapa bia o mo ka ho bone de na o mo atwe o mo afiri ho se mo fi se papa mo ka ho a na bone no so mo njintum say yes ya ne de bone no baye sre mo mie nyina ye nka mo mu na ye nyeden ne ye nsovo eno no ebeboa anope ya na metu wo mo aye Baakufo me be yai anaja radio station me frame me hwese na akwane se kasa na wo twabo ministers and am say eh wo pese wo chairman free cells because of bail conditions
the chairman mayor
chairman won't to me
one day so or long overdue but check crowd
say no from court no am de no kokoto mo other cells so ho net no it is how person mo go bail conditions no a wo kasa should be apologetic member at a point was a trouble Sam George or no minister ne yire ne hwe no ana okuje to abrako and sister ne hide money 2 million gaga me say look what kasa say ya how can you get that sympathy from you can say impenifo no you need to sound apologetic appeal to them emrano ana ka court say ana tia you can say amount of muhiani ye hia property a ebe worth this the timi ama bail ana fensu yenka ye de sika to obi so say sika we ne de ato so for bail a enje se ko kan sika no cash never beto ho enye sa na kire na emom nipa na oba be beli nipa no esi se wonya japade bia eton a ebenya sa sika no eti se police foko ko hwe no mu say wo dan we de ye ton a ye betima nya no 15 million send a court akana na fe ya certify so yes say we betima beli nipa no no aba be sign enye sika wo be sisa gu bag mu na wo de akoho no mu say mesika nie send the amount for e kano na ya say won 15 million yes won say 10 million na say wo tumi okofa say sika no he obi anka say won fa sika meto
o tell o sika
what the owo ba de anka say won fa sika bia meto so won e no enti yen get it sad way clear Mr. President ya besro what the ka shega na for bo say wo be make sure say nyama betoto ade baako a Ghana for edibwa Akufo Addo anka first time no kra no nko mo ya pam no eni say wo ka say na corruption koso obo be prosecute a wo fail ye eti ni second time ko wie no say oh sir wakasa se mu nyina che say wantimi anya ho hwe wo say president Mahama corrupt ya ba be prosecute no wantimi prosecute no na che say atro na odi kire ye wo hu se de wo mo pamo no ye me masa de no bi ento eti ma wano asem no anya aduma prosecute them
yeah hwe o
prosecute them
yeah hwe o
mema obi nkonkotena se na asofo no ba bomudi wa bonten ehimfo no ba fo mudi to abonten montimi a mo frɛ ye de beto abonten so mu jani o mo ye no ye nyina ye se pese build this country so amanfo wie sika ana yesu wo ho ye chini pa no so a mo se ye ntiase ade na mo chichi wo mo ne ye kaka ho ye be ye dan they are build this country so ye besre ora investigations of my year any adwuma mo ye nyina mo de court na court say wato asem na bukura manfo hu say mo de court na mo maye court emiantungu ye make sure say court na ye ko no ye bibia ye solid ye bibia ye solid eti ye besre ebi before mo de ngabi akasa montie no ja yonko yenim na bibia enye kama na edi enim se send si hunfuno Ghana fo a na omo ka so mbese san omo a enko MPP bi mu da because Ghana fo hu ni MPP fo aye wo Ghana fo kati be se dakro se MPP ni betra ha no ka galamsey asemo a bo mo emfachira no mo ntosh na pomro na fa be si nanim kati se som na kasa se galamsey no menya involve de hwe bi gu form sisi a neto aso wonti bi nyada obeso radwane
na MPP o kasa obe ba de
na uti
so me a branch a branch of captain asamo
we enese no wati abroje ka be kasa mo nko fashion apu bi mezi dadi
onye maybe a branch executive
yes if I'm no
but it's not
maybe a branch executive of MPP Hopeson Adorye saade ma na woye no enye
onko na parliamentary candidate
anokwa na kame beken wo ka ho
he but MPP so ehu
hwe
o parliamentary candidate jai Former General Secretary Wejai. Former presidential candidate Wejai.
And I want so.
Former communication director. Former communication director. Former minister. Northern Regional Minister. Western Housing. Youth employment in the Kaka. Abubakar Sadiq.
Chama to me. Oh, Ghana. I say we the main fight. You can't serious. You can't as it is. I dear me who Ghana penny for say they are broad sockets. Domunu moja.
Hey.
Yes, Ghana penny for they are broad sockets. Omunu moja. I didn't make us a. Mashel who Ghana has at Nasia Shania maybe a dear who say Ghana has say a dear say ya and penny for who say but se moja she mu.
No woman yes.
This is moja she. Osha ya kwan a omtin se kwan we say eye trap pa betimi akum nipa omba ya nhwe ha makwan no kum nipa ansa na de achi a yakwa akoye ensu a etoto Ghana eyiri fa Ghana nyina ye mpanifo ya aware very much aware in fact they know all the demarcations ya ensu to omo say ha say the ensu to a ebufaso they know all of them but up to now be bia no matimi affix it. No matina one more na say enso na ja ato no mark of excavator basis so na o ma bi so the way they are galamsey asema yeke enkosi da ben na galamsey eni enya e wo Ghana hase. That is one area sometimes em say maybe President Mahama na medin ho ya for the first media encounter now people were requesting for a friend is a state of emergency Nanudia wa Dubai. In fact, I was very disappointed about that to the extent they said Tamano Muye campaign. They said a lot of things about this galamsey issues. How most of his ministers now were saying, say, Omoba 2 weeks, Omobetimi galamsey every honor. Ababi Drumoso, your beautiful promise made.
So 2 weeks.
I am say 2 weeks. Oh, Sam George Yeti who could be
one cut 2 weeks.
Omuka say
one cut that. What's what Moba or Mobeti Hujuma? By one cut.
Madam, give us specific.
Oh, Debbie.
Go and listen to the tape.
Why were he Faba is here?
As I say, power.
No, Faba anymore. You see, as much say, yeah, pepper one, me in nitro.
Oh no, I power. I mean, cause I'm a power. Maybe party or power. I power. My promise is some about Mubia. We are expecting you some about Mubia for a simple Safini. Galam said, Galam said,
message your phone so.
Neba. Isa na kakaba for phone.
Ani ya mo phone so no. Ese me
ya ma so ko. Ya na mo ko.
Na aboate. Da be yo se beti ha. Ana me yo ma ka kwa.
Asante for ani kumase for mo bubufu because ye pen ye nya no.
Or say in fact this Nana Kwame guy is provoking most of we the residents in Gary and its environs. To be honest with you, MPP did absolutely nothing for us, the people of Ashanti region.
That's why we continue voting for them, because we did something for them.
We are already annoyed with the party.
No.
And this guy is just inflaming passions.
Because some opposition
tell him to stop provoking us.
They should tell them to stop voting for them.
I know his car garage at Kumasi and Accra.
As someone to
we will come there for him to show us the factory at Nkarie.
I'm telling you.
Oh,
Nasan carried you be at the but on Teho.
Are you?
As a American. It means me, I'm say as a American, and a chama wound to me. One of the biggest chama our Ghana has here was see the biggest Akonta mining factory. Our Kumasi, I'm a man for year more, and I said that I wanted him. Because in Panama, Crofo Jumaye, chama wound to me. The only chairman in Ghana, what Timia created a Juma and Nipa almost about 1 million youth in Asante region, a Juma or more. Will be a what Timia Sifia. Kumasi Kejetia.
no who match
me pacho ma me say adwuma wa kreti wo na me ka kire wo securities na wo hodi nyina chama untumi security kuma sekejetia woni mama me ka kire
yeah because honum the security for no paper ba kokura eni ho
me pacho unjitu
that is the most corrupt aspect of it all ono na the security call honum but security no dey mo call honum no
registered
paper ba ko say
ene da ho
kata ba ko say eni ho
ade na fi
mo pra honum ni na no mo na mo pra honum no na yo mo nkofo nti afa ne so a no mo tuetu mo ka paper ba ko say cry na ebi ne but the MPP employ those people
nti achinyi amoji me ye se bi no yi abe akonta mine nko a ye yetimi je concession ni asade amankrofo se munya adwuma ye woni pa almost about 2000 a wo mu e wo branch of akonta mania o mu ye adwuma wo honom is it not part of employment is it adwuma ya create ediama Asante man e wo Asante regional monka no eno na ya na ye me ya na momu no de anya de na masan mo na mo kan jama wontumi me de me no misuni brebreo mutaso wo on famenko ono na atimi asi the palace our Asante mema the whole Ghana BC bida woni employment ya wo create wo sada no bia wo timi betina ye ni wo good when we say chama wontumi have money we are talking about though is gold oti hasem na wo be ka kire say ye create adwuma wa Asante region chama wontumi Watauna modetani ntina machenu. Because of a Juma or created ma MPP mebunu Asante region. Our munya Juma ye at coming 2028. Obaye the chairman of our beloved party, MPP. Na masheda fan hotel na mo hanu.
Na muntu abale no danze wamo. Monto abale no
ya beto amano na de ye dikroma say na obi kwasa ni DC wo wu ya yekoto aba owi ni ye oko dancer wo ya beto amano chama captain galamsey asemo aye Ken, let us be serious about it because a dig Ghana
Captain Smart, how I wish I can punch this guy in my TV.
Yeah, you should come and do it. And you want punching the TV, no? I know the baby one. I want punching on TV, no? I know the baby one. Captain, Galamsey asemo aye Ken. Crowe say there be am penny for so. The youth is the future of the nation, whereby they know there is no future for us. But they always deceiving us. The youth of tomorrow. Why is that tomorrow? We don't have that tomorrow anymore. And they are always deceiving us, telling us big grammars. No more country, the youth of tomorrow. What are the futures of the youth of tomorrow? What legacy are they leaving for us? The most annoying thing, the galamsey is not only destroying the land or our water bodies, it is also killing people. It's killing the youth. It's deforming and collide wo warm. Ama sebi impredua will be a wonim galamsey hwehwe yesi somana manako. Akoye responsible mining and yetiana play kukum nipa ka. Major Mahama yeso wako fight galamsey yekoku ne kwa. Enti se wo hye ye mpanimfo se no me blood sockets. Na omusaki blood na. Se me catch them say yempenimfo no they are the most wicked. And when I'm talking about yempenimfo, me I said Mahama administration general. The whole penimfo of Ghana, from the chiefs, from the pastors, whosoever, they are so wicked and corrupt to the extent they say they don't want to leave the future for the youth. They want to destroy the future for the youth. That's it. So say yenam omranti ene mabawa yenam kuruni yewu yenam oba, we don't know. Yeah, dead bodies any number one because there is nothing left for us. To the extent they say, "Woman kasa started." Hey, Ken, your friend is a former finance minister. Will be this. They say, "Why? Osha America." And now me who say bag be done a chair and a girl said, "You know, didn't chem no gentia America." And we jay hand yet TRC. Most of our leaders, Gabby Jáil, who I see. Now me who say ba consult to or boss are Pedunumu said you.
Yeah,
Back a chief executive say executive secretary. Bediatuo.
Oh, that's a Hopeson Adorye.
Answer on the new year. Autonom, come. These are the people that have destroyed this land for us. At the end of the day, Oma running away, and Oma just asking a quite Corona Maya say you're running in the way we likes. JD Mobile was setting up committees upon committees and Nema, but the mining is still going on. Okay. You see, a responsible mining. As a responsible that I am. Na me name party as a Juma ye be man or ye konu so what take say fine. No so bien where ye dirty e Ghana has seen.
Tam na mo kono.
Tam ye kono. Ya dance here.
Oh here be o. Mampo say don't mention my name but ask him if he knows Amuzu bitters.
Akufo. Yeah, more recommendation.
Yes. You know. Amuzu minimum. What's it to be brand? Me all know that been to be brand. Nana, ready? Why would you? Yeah, community. I would want dance yourself. Yeah, community.
Also, me see Thai factory one day.
Very good.
We are not besides the members of Mahamadu Bawumia.
I don't see a factory. One district, one factory.
We see Thai
factory. Kesiapa no kwani pe gumi 7 million.
That another good idea that's it.
And then to account. Na nani ya we see Thai factory.
7,000. I'm from Mojuma.
7 million.
Any pass 7 million.
What's the place you say?
Then no Kumasi nkwaya the whole Ghana you fair be free baby because no Kumasi China for can India for can
tomorrow your Thai factory
na we are the only political party Juma ye dey back Ghana na ye be cram for Efra Manoniaba and na munya aware of that
okay
munya aware of that kapi I am mama say ya na bibi ni a ntimoni
enti NLA ho no musika na mde koye ya na seden ni e wo kika yina
wa kanokre NLA Lotu a bag Ghana employment ya creating a BC died the history of Ghana and then me take Chrome has say
I am from Kumasi. I just got to your compound. I am waiting for this guy. Tell him not to come outside.
The best chief executive for Yenya Ukroma and Sammy Owusu. Creating employment. Yes, they say Ghana Manantie. What do you say broken heart in Hobio?
Sir?
Dabi. What about me broken heart? Because lot are broken with your heart. A kakakrebi.
Na creative art school na ne okada so.
Na bi me wie loto.
Broken heart. Wonya Ghana ni be bi oyo oba no ayo age se wo ko break o be ma we heart ya. O boa.
Loto na break that.
Loto na break o bi heart. O kakakrebi na midi too sure. And that is another employment that we have created for the youth to learn how to get use of broken hearts. What you have we open there?
Share NLA. Ya who say be amakwa komo be 50,000. That is published. Say akwa sa institution with 50,000. And so be ko omubu kumu wo ho no. Maybe a 500,000.
A creating of employment.
Hey.
Because I am backlog. Creating of employment is a backlog.
I don't know him.
As about make
50,000 from 500,000, 450,000
na pacho party man omu ye adwuma mai. Omu endidi. Ya se na ya na mo. Omu de enye o. Omu de Ghana fo.
What is that? And go papa na
let's say serious answer no again.
What about the best now before this easy?
Na we dem pacho. President Mahama, I think say NLA hoyi. Yes say Oma wani nso ko because we share Duma the fourth estate for na year.
Yeah.
ene briefs are me nyana hey o se NLA aban shedam fa sika nko ho se ya ye budget amamu eye free money eba sa free money na eba no ese se aban de ye adwuma na ye tia se you see gada ya nam no focus ye jimi a eya na ye ntia se ayo wo tia se ade ye national ayi wo na wo ye chese oboro obi a wo hye wase bia no na control nipa no na wakwa ko fo obi ehye wase wono ana yitwa sika no hu wo na wo ye boss no hu sika eba se ene ye krosu lotto no ene afternoon rush o se de na omo ye no se 12 no omo krosu o se de yun KGL for ebehu se ya nya amount say NLA boss onim bosome no so a na omo ate ne omo pe na omo de ama
Mahama nye
what's that? It's so sense no
creating of employment you no ya create akwa I am employment creating what say am adwuma ye
boys ready.
Apostle Abraham Lincoln, good morning, Captain. Is this your man for real? I can see he doesn't know much. Look at his forehead.
Very beautiful, like a woman forehead. Ajuma asema okay. Once you are creating employment, mobile munya biye. So I say Mahama.
Dabi. Ah, na bi was a mobile na anyhow.
Canada. So wakohoda.
Makohoda.
So homeland spirit.
Yes.
Etwo no. Ya no matchre words be egu hokai. Or say yours is to discover.
Yes.
Yours is to discover. What you say? Na chichi krona to dia ne say obeba ba discover. Yes. What dia no so obeba no obeba ba discover.
Ti Sammy ogube discover e.
Discover. And in their law, we if you are taking on, well, see, you can kill the law, but don't bend the law. You can bend the law, but don't kill the law.
Okay.
Because the law
is the law.
Is the law.
So I say, until there sometimes it is to create employment for the other people who don't have yanko school. No? Because too many are what they to do
my consolidated fund. I would do employment a bit about as
now what you are saying. Baby, I will see this escan coin.
Baby, I will be bottom.
I dear bet in our friend Mahama say on show you.
That's all you do.
And creating an employment is such. Ghana and Amunum said a secret employment. Okwabucha lawyers for me. This is how they do. Because of Kwaku Bosia and the Diako school, it will be very difficult for a lawyer to handle a case here. Whatever court will be different. Because when they far, a Bible says, "I just can't treat." Because we are what in case we
message me, man.
There what the man name. So I just say,
you know what it na.
Hey,
kind.
What's it, Captain? Please tell this guy to get a bodyguard before coming out of your premises. He is tempting our patients.
Now, the person who is a very now, we are massive for every hour we are careful. One more testing like Kumasi Fuana, and when I may mention because Kumasi Fordie, Yampo, MPP is for Asante and Asante is for MPP. That is why we always voted for them. So what are they talking about? Not until they change their mind. Now 47 MP no. Mama Abia MP
more 40.
Beba. No mama Abia MPP 10. No mama other political party. But until then, MPP is for Asante Man is for MPP. Nanya ultimate by your chroma, you catch Asante Man with your wooden and tree with Grandpa between a better man. So what are they talking about? If you haven't received such employment, how would you vote such? And that's no more can. Adia winya on faso. Wo obekoso adi achiri.
Ah, many MPP from faso, won't my frame.
Very good.
My frame.
Now get yenya factories no ho no mo yenya rose no akomuda so di echi
anti-factories ni that's one people mu no.
Yes, because that is your first one yenya nti obi ka tell me say some na America no enya adwuma then they should stop voting for them because woman nya de obeso munya
1,150 factories.
Factories in Ashanti region, 5 interchanges,
including creative art.
Sales market, creative art. Bushu. Urafi, busha. Nini na idea ya creative employment ama wo. It is a what you say now catch them say. Minya the American why you are still voting for that person?
It's the MPP part of the say.
Captain Rubabia. Aha, bridge no kwa mi fiba.
Bridge be.
Sofia pass.
Atafwa take say.
That's the one for commercial interview.
Atafwa take say. Asaso wachi eri no. Na President Akufo Addo.
And they say a kind of 5 half so.
A big question Kumasi da.
10 lanes.
10 lanes.
Away. Atafwa debe 10 lanes.
Let's say.
Atafwa ye we half a high half.
Oh, when you be can let us see aye.
Oh. One lane grade do one lane.
5 lanes.
5 lanes. Oko na wo je bia wo kasa ufri Kumasi ba wa Kumasi bi.
Ba ko ba ta ko Kumasi.
Oko awo.
5 lanes.
Yes.
They say motorway ayeye.
In the history of Asante Bediatuo.
Yeah, 5 for 5.
I don't know what Sophia.
Sophia minimum bao.
Only more. Every problem I'm doing.
At your mobu diner or hold me in an answer.
Go there and see the most beautiful land. Road.
Come on.
I say, County, good morning. Please ask Nana Kwame if only 2 hours he says the truth. He should look straight to the camera. Was it if only he's saying the truth? He should look straight to the camera. His head, his head like coconut. I know the coconut picture. We are waiting for him here in your premises. You be or no?
To the extent they say, Captain Lebia Sama make an Asante Ebia Womunjimindi. Na Manindru Abato so. I want to go to Asante a puntua MPP de Mai, and also the Efe, near the Atuaba. I didn't mention your Kotuaba de MPP. Even though you see MPP was Ashanti region cry, no almost 60 to 65%. You see MP cry your buofuno, and you almost 60 to 65%. It is a buying a bimawa. How dare you so to me or Naso from Anopa 5 o'clock, a Kotua Badima MPP. If they know MPP done nothing in Ashanti region, what are they talking about? Yadia Accra has said. You want 33 seats, meboa. You will say MPP 4. I just share my you got to buy a moment 3 seats. And I'm meboa. MPP now only 3 seats in Greater Accra because you also my young Puntujuma my
yeah.
But you have 47 seats. You choose to give them 40 seats. What does that mean? What will say Puntu alcohol? And so what are they talking about?
Captain, one more message back. Where Francisca or your bar? Also, Captain, please tell the man sitting beside you that I will marry him. Because my house will always be like a smiling place.
So what you say? Auntie, about to home.
But your mom bedroom had no somebody you could feel. Don't worry, and your bodyguard. Don't worry, your bodyguard. For life. Say about me born life akwa akoto enti se wo enipa 100 na mo koto aba na mo puntudwuma a me dia ba mu cross nti emu nanti etoma mia. What does that mean?
it means say my bro mpuntu anameboa it is a mijira ka kire say MPP puntu a wo dia ba Asante man eno so ne ejira de to aba adenti na mo gira ba bi na mo kasa say mo nye say mo ne mo pass MPP nya bibi ema Asante man ya ma mo to aba ma.
In fact, where is the final message? I mean, can be.
Captain, please give me that guy full name. I won't curse him to the deity of Antwa. Yes, it's serious. Hey.
Okay. Catcher me say.
What's the more full name? No more.
Kenneth Nana Kwame Asamoah.
Antwa and Kenneth.
Okay, Kwame Asamoah. Nakache nipa ni say so ya Santinia onunsu modua say from 1992 on gusu ento abama MPP ana na woto aba no e de puntu onu anya on kan kire simple bodua no money sa ana as long as they say we will continue to vote for MPP, that means oma ye puntu juma
na numbers na obobo no no monte ase no
numbers, you know, they need to understand the numbers to the extent they say those numbers, you know, American. Now, Hopeson Adorye. Now, Hopeson Adorye. Mo akra say enuma ye nyina na oni. Kwaku akra ha nyina siana. Very good. Enti be pa cha so tin carry na wontu kwan enko be kwai enko hwe puntujuma ya wo ha. Don't sit down.
Be kwai dey no.
Be kwai hospital ye ba ye mi. Urifiana.
And I say hotel.
And I say hotel.
I can't be quite hospital.
Hey,
I went to 430 bed hotel.
435 for crowd and 5 for the executives. The area said that fan car.
To 430.
After a nipa 2,300 Asante Bediatuo. Very good. Masa, anyama ya ye Kumasi. Okay, me busa myself.
Na no Bediatuo hospital wa.
Hopeson. We are in Benin.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.